This 2013 Dodge Dart is brought to you by All Models Cars and Trucks. 2013 Dodge Dart Aero Sedan with 1.4-liter turbo engine features, 4-sill, multi-air turbo, 1.4L, Auto 6 SPD dual dry clutch, forward, power door locks, power steering, power windows, hill start assist control, keyless entry, knee airbags, suspension touring, tilt and telescoping wheel, traction control, rollover protection, Sirius XM satellite, stability control, FM/AMP, R-side airbags, AM/FM stereo, anti-theft system, backup camera, ABS, 4-wheel air conditioning, alloy wheels and more. Visit us at allmodelscars.com.